Most of you have spent like 5 hours scrolling through YouTube. Just find this video, like stop wasting your time. Like, oh yeah, what do you mean? I haven't really gotten any more work done in some days or in the past few hours. Like, yeah, let me learn how to stop. If you see the thumbnail of some guy doing some push-ups and like, what the fuck, bro, this is cringe. Let me just watch the video. You click on the video and yeah, you have presented with me. How do you stop wasting your time? You stop wasting your time by getting off social media. Nowadays, social media takes a whole bunch of hours, seconds, minutes, days away from the time that we could have used to invest into ourselves, invest in our business, or do something new and thrilling and exciting. Spend more time with people. But no, 3 hours I could have used it for like working out, running, doing stuff. It's used on social media. The one way I've been saying on so many videos is do a dopamine detox. If you don't want a dopamine detox, you just literally search on the YouTube bar dopamine detox and you see so many guides on dopamine. And there's some short hyper fast editing dopamine detox videos, but there are some really lengthy dopamine videos. How to go on a dopamine detox video, probably made by Hansa. If you click on any one of those, well, if you click on any one of those, literally write down the protocols and everything that you're restricted to do and everything you can do. And maybe see other people's experience from it and see how it goes. You know, I've not made a video on it. I should. I've tried dopamine detox twice in a year. One was for 7 days and now was for 14 days. Really good experience, but I'm thinking of trying to upgrade to a 30-day dopamine detox, which is a whole freaking month. Sound for most people sounds very like, oh, this guy is going to abstain from social media. It's yesterday. So it is actually very easy if you just literally throw away your distractions and just spend time to more important, something more important. And that leads me to the second tip, which invest in something that helps you in the future and not now. Instant gratification is something that does make you get pleasure now, like video games, junk food, no that shit stuff that you feel the pleasure. Now you feel happy, but later you just feel fucking depressed. Why delayed gratification is now helping in the future, like working out. Of course, you wouldn't see the gains now, but later on, you'll be more proud of your body. You have that six pack, you have that attractive physique, and investing in a business. You won't see the gains now, like on the first day, you won't just see, oh shit, I made 1 million. But after some years, you see, you start becoming a successful businessman. You make like million, 100K per month. You start making big bucks, big money. More people should start investing into your company and all that kind of shit. So by just investing your time into something that can help you in the future, and not quit. Don't quit. That's the big one. Don't quit because most people they work out for like they work out for like 3 weeks and they're like, oh shit, it's not working out. I'm not getting any real gains. So yeah, I'm just gonna fuck it. I'm just gonna go back to scrolling through YouTube. Don't quit. But you know, quit. Trust me. Trust me. That will literally be like the most successful you have in like in days. Because of all the shit stuff you have been doing. Because let's be honest, you haven't done anything. You're not special. You're just average. Some of you are even below average. So literally just working out for 10 minutes per day is literally one of your biggest achievements in months. That's pretty harsh, but is the harsh, bitter truth that all of us have to deal with. Even me, something I have to deal with that truth. Because I know that yes, I'm self improvement YouTuber, but I'm not like on the top. I'm above average, but I still have room for improvement. In our short video, peace.